In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zambeel with Shopify. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations or simply enhance the efficiency of your online store, integrating reliable applications like Zambeel can make a noticeable difference in managing your Shopify store effectively. Let's begin by accessing the Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu and find the Apps section. This area is the gateway to enhancing your store functionalities through various add-ons. Within this section, you'll want to go to the Shopify App Store, which hosts a plethora of applications tailored to meet different business needs. Now, with the App Store at your fingertips, use the search function to look up Zambeel. Type in Zambeel by MyZambeel to ensure you're selecting the correct application. You'll see a list of search results, but make sure to click on the one specifically labeled Zambeel for Shopify. Upon locating Zambeel, click Add App to get started with the installation. This app is free to install, which is excellent news if you're testing to see how it might fit into your business model before committing to any additional costs. It's worth noting that while the installation is free, there are premium features within the app that you can unlock by subscribing to their service. These premium features can enhance the capabilities of Zambeel and might be worth considering depending on your specific business requirements. After you add the app, a confirmation window will appear prompting you to allow certain permissions. It's crucial to take a moment to review these permissions to understand what data the app will access and how it will integrate with your store's existing setup. Granting necessary permissions ensures the app functions seamlessly with your Shopify platform. Once confirmed, Zambeel will be installed, ready for you to customize according to your needs. To leverage the full potential of Zambeel, explore its Settings section. Here, you can tailor the app's features to better suit what you are looking to achieve with your e-commerce operations. Typically, settings will cover aspects related to order management, inventory adjustments, and possibly even customer outreach, offering a holistic approach to store management. In conclusion, incorporating Zambeel into your Shopify backend can significantly optimize your business processes. By merely investing a few minutes into installing and configuring this tool, you're setting up your store for more streamlined operations and potential growth. Remember, the key to maximizing such tools is continuous exploration and adjustment to fit your evolving business needs. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm excited to see how Zambeel can help you enhance your Shopify experience. Stay tuned for more comprehensive guides to enrich your e-commerce journey.